So now we're going to do a double knife edge with a hammer and chisel. So we're going to do the contact point is the knife edge, and then the segmental contact point is the posterior and inferior aspect of the left and right TVPs. The stabilization point is the right and left palmar surfaces sealed with fingertips touching. And then the segmental stabilization point doesn't apply. And then the line of correction is the P to A, I to S, parallel to 60-degree opposite joint angle. Okay, so now we're going to do a supine cradle. So let's say we're going to do a left rotation restriction. So my contact point is my hip or my MCP. My segmental contact point is the right lamina pedicle junction and the posterior arch of the TVP, C1. My stabilization point is a split stabilization. It's going to be a left index and my SIF, and my left DNR eminence. My segmental stabilization point is the chin and forearm and bicep pec, supporting the head and the left zygomatic process. And then my line of correction is P to A, I to S, slight lateral to medial with clockwise torque. So now we're going to do a prone occiput lift. My contact point is the chiropractic index, and then my segmental contact point is the left occipital ridge. The stabilization point is the proximal aspect of my right forearm with my left thenar. And my segmental stabilization point is the right parietals and then the left zygomatic process. And the line of correction is I to S. And it's just a straight I to S movement. Now we're going to do the ratchet ipsilateral, which is only on C2. My contact point is my right hip. My segmental contact point is the right lamina pedicle junction and the left lateral aspect of the spinous process. My stabilization point is number 11 of my left hand. My segmental stabilization point is the inferior tip of the left mastoid and the slight I to S traction. Turn your head this way. And then it's going to be a P to A, I to S, slight lateral. Okay, so now we're going to do supine index transverse. So say we're going to have a left rotation restriction. So my contact point is my hip or MCP of my right index finger. My segmental contact point is the posterior aspect of the right TVP. My segmental point is the left split second and third digits, and then my segmental stabilization point is the left lateral aspect of C2 and the lateral occipital ridge.
We're doing the seated index TVP pull for a BL, and my contact point is the left hip and hip.
Then my line of correction is a P to A, S to I, and slight right to left with no rotation.